Hi, good afternoon, everyone, beta. Rather, good evening, everyone. And now I'm going to, welcome to lecture 3 of our CS1 classes. And today I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to begin talking about different numericals on probability distribution. So we have already done the concept of probability distribution in the previous lectures. Today we will go ahead and we will take some numerical based on it. Okay, beta. Okay, look into the first question, beta. A box contains 5 colored balls, out of which 2 are black and 3 are white. Balls are drawn successively without replacement. If the random variable x is the number of draws till last black ball is obtained, find the PDF for random variable x. Find the probability density function for random variable x. Good question, beta. देखो ध्यान से. So I have 2 balls, 2 black balls and 3 white balls. Now, first thing that can happen is कि out of this, so if I just try to make a tree here, this is a bag. This bag has 3 white and 2 black balls. So the first thing that can happen is that I draw a black ball and then again I draw a black ball and done. Okay, दोनों black balls निकल गई and it was asking how many times you have to draw the ball till you draw the last black ball. So because I have gone ahead and I have drawn both the black balls, so I am done. So therefore I can go ahead and I can say that number will be 2. So this is this first one, beta, where my x is actually 2. यहाँ देख रहे हो? Where my x is actually 2. This is my first one. The second thing that can happen is that I go ahead and I start by drawing a black ball. And then I go ahead and I draw a white ball. पहले black निकली, फिर white निकल गई. And after I draw a white ball, then I draw a black ball. So how many times, beta? 1 ball, 2 ball, 3 balls. Right? ये हो सकता है. Or after white, again I had a white ball and then black ball. 4 chances. Or after this white, again I had a white and then black. 5. So then I am taking 5 chances. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, and then in the 5th one, I draw the last black ball. This is possible. So this is the first tree that I have drawn here. You see this tree? This is this tree. Now what can happen? The first ball that I have drawn, that's a white ball. The first ball that I have drawn, that's a white ball. So that means I am here, beta. The first ball itself is a white ball. After that, I can draw a black ball. Once I draw a black ball, then again a tree will open up. Because till now I have just got 1 black ball. I need 2 black balls. So it is possible that after this again I draw a black ball. Yeah, after black I end up drawing a white ball. Right? After which I draw a black ball. Yeah, after this I draw another white ball and then I draw a black ball. These are all the possibilities. Try to understand the question. So try to see, you will get a black ball, then, white ball, then black, you stop. Or a white ball followed by black and then again white, but then you get black and you stop. Or white followed by black, white and again white. So you have drawn 3 whites now and therefore you get a black and you stop. Otherwise, what can happen here? That I have drawn a white ball. So either I can draw a black ball or a white ball. So if I have drawn a white ball, then again, beta, I can draw a black ball. Isn't it? So if I will draw a black ball, then again I have to go through the process. After this, I draw a black ball and I stop. Or after this, drawing a black ball, I draw a white ball. So I have drawn 3 white balls and then I draw a black ball and I stop. Clear? Or it is possible that you have drawn this one also as a white ball. So all 3 white balls are drawn. So you're only left up with drawing 2 black balls. There is no other way in which you can be doing it. Am I clear with this example? ये बात समझ में आ रही है यहाँ पे? Is this making some sense to you? Okay. So if this is making some sense to you, then what we can go ahead and we can do better, we can just calculate these cases together. So you realize here that here I have black and I am stopping. So number of cases are 2. And then here I need black, white and black. So number of cases are 3. Black, white and black. So 4 balls drawn and 5 balls drawn. How many balls here, beta? White, black, so 3. White, black, so 4. White, black, white and black, so 5. White, black, so 4 balls drawn. White, black, so 5 balls drawn and 5 balls drawn. So against each of these, I have gone ahead and I have written their frequency. Har ek ke against, I have gone ahead and written their frequency. So what are the frequencies, beta? The frequency is 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 5, and 5. So how much is the frequency of 3? 1, 2. Right? How much is the frequency of 2? Just 1. How much is the frequency of 4? 1, 2, 3. And how much is the frequency of 5? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right? So what's the total number of frequencies? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So now I have just written their probability. 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, and 4 by 10. Right? So suppose in exam, they ask you to generalize this. Right? In exam, they ask you generalize this. So how will you generalize this, beta? Kya hoga generalization iska? So when they ask you to generalize this, it means that, can you see some pattern here? I can. When x is 2, I am getting 1 by 10. When x is 3, I am getting 2 by 10. When x is 4, I am getting 3 by 10. X is 5, I am getting 4 by 10. So if I were to generalize this, I will get that my probability density function, fx, will become x minus 1 by 10. Will become x minus 1 by 10. And this is how I can go ahead and I can generalize this. Is this clear? Making sense? Okay. Right, beta. So now let us try to take this question. So it says that there is a pair of dice consisting of 6-sided die and a 4-sided die, and it is rolled and the sum is determined. Let x represent this sum. So x is representing the sum that you get when 2 dice are thrown. One dice is a normal 6-faced die and the second dice is a 4-faced die. Find the sample space, space of random variable and the PDF of x. Okay. Now let's look at the sample space, beta. So you remember that when we draw 2 dice, जब हम 2 dice को throw करते हैं, when we throw 2 random dices, so we make a sample space which looks something like this. We make 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. And here we will go till 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, and so on till 6, 6. This is how we go ahead and we make the sample space. Now what we have done is, I am only going to go here till 4, 1, 2, 4, 6, because the other dice only has numbers till 4. That's the only difference. So I have written the sample space here. Ye mera sample space hai. But what I have gone ahead and I have done now is that I have just gone ahead and considered till 4 for the other dice. देखो, ये dice में सिर्फ हम 4 तक जा रहे हैं. We are just going till 4 here. And for the other one, we are going till 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Is this clear? And now what we are going ahead and we are doing, we are accounting the sum. So 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 1 plus 3, 4, 1 plus 4, 5, 1 plus 5, 6, 1 plus 6, 7. Like this, I have just gone ahead and I have written the sum everywhere. Okay. Now I can represent this in terms of frequency. So frequency of 2 will be 1, frequency of 3 will be 2, frequency of 4 will be 3, frequency of 5 will be 4, frequency of 6 is coming as 5, 6 is coming out as 4, 7 is coming out as 4, 8 is coming out as 3, and 9, 2, and 10, 1. And what are the total number of observations? Beta 24. So if I just divide everywhere by 24, their frequency by 24, so I will get their probabilities. So this is what I have done here. These are my x's. And these are the probabilities corresponding to those x's. X's and probability corresponding to those x's. Now, suppose someone would have asked you, find out the expectation. So what will be expectation? Expectation will be x, px summed up. Since this is a discrete variable beta. So the expectation will be summation x, px. So I will go ahead and I will multiply x with px and get here. I will multiply x with px and get here. X with px and get here. X with px and get here. And once I get these x with px, I will just go ahead and I will add all of these together. Right? And when I will be adding all of these together, so I will get 144 by 24, and that will give me the answer as 6. That will give me the answer as 6. Am I clear? So this is how you can go ahead and solve this kind of questions, right? Okay, beta. So this is it that I wanted to go ahead and I wanted to discuss in today's lecture. I hope that this will be useful for your preparation, right? Okay, thank you so much.